You're taking all the right precautions to stay in good health, but how clean is your face mask? The amount of bacteria they gather would shock you. Our masks gather bacteria as we breathe. They collect microbes as we adjust them with our hands. We set our face masks down on unclean surfaces. We accidentally drop them. With FaceMask Mint, you can fully sanitize your face mask on the go in less than 30 seconds. FaceMask Mist harnesses the power of stabilized liquid chlorine dioxide, an ingredient approved by the EPA to kill coronavirus and other dangerous pathogens. Works instantly, completely sanitizes in less than 30 seconds. Kills viruses, bacteria, mold, and allergens. Fabric safe, there is no bleaching effect. Skin safe, will not cause irritation to your skin. Safe for use on filters too. Clean, fresh scent. Take your virus protection to a whole new level. Easily keep your face mask sanitized when you're on the go. For a limited time, you can buy 2 and get 1 free. Visit FaceMaskMist.com for more information.